deep in the heart of Exmoor is a beautiful place called Snowdrop Valley. But quite rightly, the picking of the snowdrops is prohibited. But this year, Exmoor Welding is creating a new type of snowdrop, and it's one that you can take home with you. We have row upon row of snowdrops waiting for you, and for each one that you buy, Cutcombe School will receive £2. As a memento of your day in Snowdrop Valley, these beautiful snowdrops can be put to many uses. A tea light holder, perhaps? An ornament to decorate your home? A doorstop, maybe? A bookend, which probably means that you'll need two at least. Or how about something that will hold your recipe book open for you? So why not take a piece of Exmoor home with you today and help the local primary school?